What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know what it is, so let's go. I'm on my way, man, to Hellcat heaven, bro. This is like the only dealership that got some Hellcats, so I'm going out here to check it out, man, see what's going on. So as soon as I pull up, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Let's go. Alright, guys, see, I'm pulling up at the dealership. See all them cars over there, man. We're gonna see what they got going on over this jump, man. They go Scat right there. Look like somebody test driving the jump. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, somebody test driving the jump right there. We're gonna drive down a little further. See if they got any jumps out here. They done changed this dealership up since the last time I've been out here. So I know y'all heard that Scat. Oh, they got all the joints right there. Let me back up. They got them joints lined up, champ. Y'all see them joints over there? Let me get on out. A couple people over here looking at them joints. I'm gonna pull right here. Bunch of Scats, bunch of Challenger Hellcats it look like. Let's see what they got going on this jump. Oh man, this blue jump right here is sweet. Look at this joint. I love this color right here. What's a 17 RT? It's on lock. They got a whole bunch of joints out here. This is a Scat Challenger. Right here they got a Scat, a Daytona. All these must be used. Man, there's so many joints out here, I don't even know where to stop. Look at this joint. This is nice right here, bro. It's red. Man, somebody rolling in a convertible BMW. What's this? Oh, this is a 19 Scat right here. I wonder how much they want for all this 44. Got 5,000 miles on. They only want 44 for that joint. Oh, this is nice, bro. We got back here. This is a Hellcat. Yup. Challenger Hellcat. They loaded out this joint, bruh. It's Hellcat, nice. Let's see how much they want for this Challenger Hellcat. 16 Hellcat, we want 52 for it. Got 18,000 miles on it. Can't beat that, man. Let's move on down here and see what they. Y'all see all these joints out here, man? That's why I said this Hellcat heaven, man. And Scat. Look at this joint. It's a black Scat. They had to just get these in. All these look like used. They are used, obviously. This blue is nice. Another Hellcat Challenger. Man, I like this blue right here. How much for this? It's another 16 Hellcat. They want 48 for it. Got 30,000 miles on it. What's up, man? Man, this joint tight. I like this blue right here. Man. Another 16. 14,000 miles on it. 52,000. One for this joint. Let's see what else they got on there. Scat. Another Scat. They loaded with Scats. If you want to challenge a Scat, man, you gotta come out here. They loaded. 2019. They want 42 for it. Got 7,000 miles on it, bruh. This is the place to be. Got a white Hellcat over there. This is the place to be right here, bruh. All these joints out here. Just pick one, right? But I think they about to close too. I got out here way too late. This a Hellcat right here. What's the sticker on? Let me look on the window. It's crazy. Oh, they don't have another sticker on here. That's Hellcat. Oh, these joints nice, man. It's like pick one. It's crazy. Let's see. Man. Go ahead and pick you one, man. Man, they got all you need out here. This Hellcat right here, this joint nice. This is a 16. Yeah.
This one is lit.
This one's like that. You right. Yes, indeed. I like this. Oh man, this joint nice. They got everything. They got everything you want out here, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What's your channel?
It's called Hemi Muscle.
Hemi Muscle?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna check you out.
Yeah, check me out, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Right on.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man. Man, as you can see, man, they got everything you want out here, bro. I'm gonna walk around front, see what they got. I think they might have some wide body inside. So I'm gonna walk up here. But they might be closed, so I might not be able to get to the wide body, guys. So let's see if we can catch a wide body. No Scat. Yeah, this joint nice. South Carolina. Looks like they just got this junk from the auction or something. Like that color right there. That's nice. That junk hidden. They got all these Jeeps out here. Pretty sure I'm gonna see what they got on the other side of the dealership. See, they got a black Ram right there. That junk nice. I know usually they got a lot of used cars on this side over here. They go Hellcat. Look at this Ram. This junk lifted. This junk nice. Good Lord. Man, that's nice right there, bro. That's tight. Look at the wheels on this junk. Black Widow. That's tight. That's tight. Let's see what they got over here. Got a Hellcat right here. Man, look at all these joints, man. All these Hellcats. Unbelievable, bruh. Scats and Hellcats. Man. When I hit the jackpot out here, go a wide body right here. This is crazy, man. Wide body joint. My goodness. Look at this joint right here. Daytona. Got the white and the blue one. Black one, and this joint right here is tight. This the one right here. This black joint is, oh my goodness. Yeah, that's crazy. They got every junk you can want out here, bro. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that like button. That's ridiculous. That wide body is sick. I'm gonna look at the sticker of this blue one. 82. That's crazy. There you go, guys. I figured y'all like this video, man. Look at all these Hellcats, man. Unbelievable. So if you're looking for a Hellcat, you gotta come out here, man. They got them, Hellcats and Scats. They got more Challenger Hellcats than anything, from what I can see. I like this blue one right here. It's Challenger. This is nice. Is this a Scat? Oh, okay, it's a Scat right here. That's nice though. Told y'all, man, this Hellcat heaven. Hellcat heaven. I swear, I think all these cars look like they just came from the auction or something. Cause they, none of them, a lot of them don't even have stickers on. So this one got a sticker on. Let's see, this is a 19. These joints these brand new cars, bro. These are brand new cars, and this green Daytona right here. Let's see what's up with this. I think somebody was just test driving this joint. What year is this? Oh, this is 2020. This is a 2020 Daytona. FA green. Stick on this thing is 50. 50 G's. These cars not gonna last long out here though. They be moving them out here. They be moving these joints out here.